guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So, it's winter time now, and like always, of course, I'm back again with a hair care routine. So, I'm going to give you a few tips on how to take care of your hair during winter. So, let's start now. So make sure that you condition your hair properly. That's very important so that your hair doesn't get dry or frizzy. So every time you wash your hair, please do not forget to condition it. Instead, use a t-shirt. So all you gotta do is just wrap it around your head, and this will soak all the water, and also you won't have any static hair problems. Use a hair mask. You can just take a banana and squash it really well, and then you add a little bit of almond oil to this and you apply it onto your hair. Let it stay for about half an hour, and then you wash your hair. You will definitely see results. You will see how smooth and soft your hair will be. Use a drying paper onto your comb, and then you can brush your hair. This will get rid of static hair. So that's a cool tip. Always use a headgear so that your hair doesn't get, there's a lot of pollution outside, and also your hair becomes really dry. So make sure you use a scarf or something before you get out. And if it's too cold, make sure that you use a monkey cap at least to, keep yourself warm as well as it won't spoil your hair. So guys, these were a few tips on how you can take care of your hair during winter. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any more questions. And I'm on Instagram, please follow me there. It's called Leena Gowda Official. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So I'm back with another winter skincare video, and this video is going to be really different because we are going to make ghee cream. Yeah, you heard it right. It's ghee cream. So हम घी से cream बनाएंगे और apply करेंगे. So as we all know, ghee is really good for our skin, and I'm going to tell you its benefits. I'm going to tell you how we're going to make this. So let's start this video. So for this we need two ingredients. First is obviously ghee. So this is my homemade ghee जो घर पे बनाया हुआ है, and मैंने थोड़ा सा melt किया हुआ है, so it's like this consistency. And we will also need water. That's all, only two things, and I will show you how to make this. So before we start making this cream, let me tell you the benefits of ghee. Ghee has these amazing fatty acids which is really good for your skin. Like even the driest of the dry skin can be moisturized with ghee. We all consume ghee, we know, health के लिए तो बहुत अच्छा हुआ है. It's good for your skin, hair, and overall, good health. So except for eating, even if you apply it on your body, and even if you apply it on your hair, it's really good. You must have watched my previous video on ghee, the benefits of ghee. So today this cream specially is for winter, क्योंकि अभी winter चालू हो गई है, ठंड है, skin तो बहुत ही dry हो रही है. So this cream will really help you nourish your skin, and it will give you that glow. So ghee also brightens your skin, so this will be really great. आपके under eyes अगर आपको है dark circles, this will help with that also. So a lot of benefits of ghee obviously. Try करिए, अगर आपके पास homemade ghee हो तो उससे बनाएं. बाहर की जो घी है उसमें थोड़े बहुत chemicals होते ही हैं. So if possible, you can use homemade ghee, which is the best. And now I'm going to start making this ghee cream, and I'll show you how to make it. So let's start. So this is my ghee. Smells amazing. So मैंने melt किया हुआ घी लिया हुआ है, and I'm going to take water. So we will add like 1 to 2 teaspoons of water. Mix it. Mix करने में ही सारा game है. You need to mix it really well and it will form like this, creamy texture. So let's do that now. So I'm adding, ये है मेरा 1 teaspoon water. Let's start with 1. Mix करें. This is going to take time. So I'm going to mix it really well. Patience is key, guys. So another thing, if you don't want to do this, आप लोग प्लेट में घी डालकर थोड़े थोड़े बूंद पानी डाल के भी मिक्स कर सकते हैं अच्छे से. मुझे वैसे नहीं करना था, so I'm gonna do this. मुझे लग रहा है एक और थोड़ा सा पानी मुझे डालना पड़ेगा, so a little bit more. Slowly it's starting to turn a little creamish, like little bit, if you can see. So again, it's this is going to take time. Mix it really well. Okay, I'm going to do that. No talking. So अब ये स्टेज पे ये थोड़ा ऐसे थिक हो चुका है. We have to mix more. So बांध ली बिकॉज मैं बहुत थक गई थी ये करते हुए. सो नाउ फाइनली दिस इज काइंड ऑफ द कंसिस्टेंसी दैट आई गॉट. इफ यू कीप मिक्सिंग इट ये और थिक होगा, बट मेरे हाथों ने जवाब दे दिया. So I think this is a good consistency. You can store this as well. If you mix it a little more and add like ice cold water, this is the mistake that I've done. I've taken regular water. Ice cold water would really help it like emulsify and it'll become more thick. So this is what I got and I'm gonna apply it. I'm gonna wear my mask and come right back. So I just wore my hair bandage, same mask. Okay, so ये है मेरी घी cream and I'm gonna apply it. So massage it really well on your face. अच्छे से. I'll leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. I think that's enough. Smell तो बहुत yummy आ रही है. Gently massage it. It feels so smooth on my skin. Love this. And मेरे घर पे जो घी बनता है, I think they put a little bit of haldi. That's why it's this color, which is good. In this you can also add a little bit of honey if you want, or you can just use this as is. मैंने अच्छे से लगा लिया. Now I'm gonna let it stay for about 10 to 15 minutes and I'm gonna wash it nicely. So people who have oily skin, I don't think I would recommend this. This is for people who have extremely dry skin like this. My skin is dry. And winter में अगर आप ये लगाओ, it's like the best for you. So try to apply it only during winters. If you don't have, like if your skin is pretty normal, if you know, if it's like a combination type, you can apply it mostly during winters. For dry skin, you can apply it any season because dry flaky skin ho jata hai. Ghee is great. So I'm gonna go wash my face and come right back. So I have washed my face and can you see the glow? My skin feels really soft and supple and it feels great. Dryness तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. So next time when you're doing this, please use ice cold water. वो मैं थोड़ी सी mistake कर दी थी. But otherwise the consistency was pretty good. But if you want more thick, like really creamy consistency, use ice cold water. या तो भी ice आप करते रहो, फेंटते रहो अच्छे से. Whip it really well and it will become like a proper cream. And this face pack was really good. That's super easy. ये आपको थोड़ा मेहनत लगेगी whip करने में, otherwise it's great. घी तो easily available भी है ही घर पे. So do try this. Let me know in the comments. And this face pack is really good for people who have dry skin. Don't forget that. So see you next time. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. So colorful eyeshadow has been in trend, but a lot of us don't try this because we don't know the blending technique. Today I'm going to show you how to blend all these colorful eyeshadows. So let's start. For this, I will be needing a palette which has a lot of colors. So this is my favorite palette. This is Makeup Revolution's Maxi Reloaded palette. So this has about 45 beautiful shades. There are a lot of colors here. So I'm going to take like really different colors, apply it on my eyes, and then I'm going to show you how to blend this. So first step is apply a concealer or apply foundation on top of your eyelids if you don't have a eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to take my foundation, very little. I'm going to take it on my brush. Just apply very little so you have a clean canvas. So now take your eyeshadow palette. First tip is we go light to dark, so lighter shades here and dark shades on this side. Take a flat brush like this and then you select your shades. So I'm gonna go with yellow first. Apply it on my inner corners. This is a very light shade. I purposely am putting it on my inner corners so that we can put a little dark shades when we go on the outer corner. Now take a tissue and remove this color. We'll move on to our next color, which is orange. So this is the shade I'm thinking, orange color. Again, I'm going to take my tissue, remove this color. Let's go with green. This green is a little light, so I'm just going to put a little darker shade. This one. Now let's take this blue. If you have more space, you can also go with purple because my eyes are not that big. So I'm just going to stop here. Now we'll take a fluffy brush like this. This is the Morphe M433. This is really good for blending. We want some bristles like this. This brush specially, it's only to apply the color and we blend it with this. So just take the brush. We're going to start from the outer corner to inner corner. So we blended it. Now I'm just going to take the yellow shade and apply it here because that is not that visible. I'm going to take the yellow shade in the inner corner. And a little bit of orange too. We're going to do the same thing on this side.
now that I've blended this, I'm going to take the same brush, get all the color, very little, and I'm going to apply it here. So now that I've blended my eyeshadow, I'm going to apply my mascara. This is the Urban Decay mascara. So guys, I've applied my mascara. You can also apply eyeliner, but I like it like this. I'm just going to stop here. So let me know if you like this eyeshadow blending technique in the comments below. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gada Official and Foxy Makeup Tips. And I will see you soon. Thanks so much for watching.